Hello everybody, this is my homework. Let's practice together. Part 1. The sound A. Back. Value. Jacket. Cat. That. Sat. Taxi. Rabbit. Fax. Hatch. Apple. Take. Part 2. I will sing a rap song. Try my best. A for a letter in the alphabet. A for a letter in the alphabet. A for a letter in the alphabet. There a cat. Wearing a hat. Taking a nap. On my lap. Video cat. Begin. Part 3. I'm Vietnamese. I'm here to make Vietnam stronger. I'm a global citizen. I will communicate with the whole world. I'm passionate about my English. I know I will speak perfect English. I devote all my time and effort. I enjoy listening to English every day. I enjoy speaking English everywhere. I feel lost to express myself. I'm feel to talk to foreigners. No matter how hard it is, no matter how long it takes, no matter what they say, I still believe in myself. I'm going to make it. Just do it. Right here, right now, because I'm Vietnamese. I love you. I love Crazy Group. Thank you for listening.